Welcome to Grover Beach, California. I'm showing you today the changes that are happening in Grover Beach. So these are some brand new builds. They're on 7th Street here in Grover. And the reason why I shot this with the drone, and we will go in and tour this house, but I want to show these decks on top of the roofs and also what people are doing. So you can see these are 4 brand new homes. Looks like they're probably on one big lot or 2 lots. And that's judging from the houses around these new builds, especially the little yellow house. You know what else is weird about Grover? I'm waiting and I'll have to follow up because they haven't called me back yet. But look, there's no sidewalk in front of that yellow house or even all the way around on that corner. But there's a brand new, beautiful sidewalk in front of these new homes. So look up on the roofs. They have owned solar up there and those big giant decks. I'm just showing you around the proximity so you can see where in Grover Beach this is. And also take a look. I mean, there's so much growth that is happening. We're going to swing by. We're going to see all those big new buildings here in just a second that are happening around 4th Street. Look at that nice view. See how close we are to the ocean. And then there's the big buildings right there, those big tall ones. So that's how Grover is growing. It's going up instead of out. There's our golf course we just went by, Pismo Beach, and now we're going to be looking up into North Grover Beach. So let's go in and take a look. Like I said, we have 256 and 238. 2 homes are available for sale, and they are brand new. So this one is the only one that I'm going to shoot with the video because it is staged. The other house is not staged. So this one just looks better and it shows better with the furniture. It makes it a little bit easier to imagine living in the house. Now, the stager did use this one as an office, but it is a bedroom. We know that because of the closet there. So let's go down the hallway. See the nice materials that they've used throughout this house. Going into the garage, I love this garage door. It lets the light in so you can have a nice free lit up garage in your house. And the bathroom, very tastefully done, really nice materials, obviously all new materials. Grover Beach, we're gonna have those low flow toilets, so you don't have to deal with that. Another beautiful thing when you're buying or selling a new home is the home's going to come with a warranty, as will the appliances and everything that's inside of the house. So if you're buying the house, you don't have to ask the seller to pay for a home warranty for you because it already has a warranty. And then a lot of times the builders have up to a 10-year warranty on the new house itself. So, sometimes new is better, sometimes it's not. But in this case, I think that it really is. So we're going through the house, just taking a look at these bedrooms. We have carpeting in the bedroom, and then the rest of the house has the hard floors. The hard flooring is really good when you live by the beach because it vacuums up really easily, or you could just sweep the sand away off of the hard flooring. Whereas the sand's going to get stuck in the carpet, and your vacuum may or may not get it out. But yeah, the hard floors are easy to take care of. So we're going to go one more pass through the living room here, and then we're heading upstairs. And when we get upstairs, we're going to see there's a little patio area up here on the right-hand side, and that's kind of just like a bonus area. I was talking when we looked at the laundry room downstairs. So the laundry is down there. It's all plumbed, had a nice big sink. And look at the layout of this upstairs. I love how these bigger or newer builders are leaving these social opportunities in the kitchen, the main living area. So they have this island. It's again, it's staged, but we have a couple of chairs there. But if you're in the kitchen, you could be talking to the people at the island. You could be talking to the people in the living room. And so it's not like you go away into the kitchen to cook like my older Grover Beach house. It's separated. So if I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking, if the person's not specifically in the kitchen, they're not going to see me or hear me or know what's going on because my kitchen's blocked off. It's not an open concept like this. It is a nice big house, but it's not open. This is a much more modern concept than my older house in Grover Beach. But I absolutely love living in Grover Beach. I'm here to help. If anyone has any questions about moving to and from the Central Coast, feel free to call, text, or email me anytime. If you want a private tour of this beautiful home or one of them, give me a call. I live in Grover Beach and my office is in Pismo right down the street. So I can arrange that too. But let's go ahead and finish this tour because I do want to hear your comments. Please do leave comments. It's very, very helpful to my channel. And I always want to know what video people want to see next. So in the comments, let me know. What do you want to see next? You want to see a house in a Atascadero? You want to see a Pismo Beach shack? What do you like? I'll show you. 'Cause I really enjoy doing these videos. And as a relocation specialist, I take pride in doing these videos so I can show people that are hoping to move to the coast. I get to show them houses and show them areas and microclimates throughout the Central Coast. So let me know what you want to see next. And now we're going to go out. This is the little cutout, the little patio for on the second level. And now we're going up to the rooftop deck. So take a look at this. I love all the outlets. There's gas, there's water, so you can hook up your barbecue. You can have a little refrigerator. Just a great outdoor area. And then, of course, look at the incredible view. This video was shot in October, which is we get some of our best weather here in October and November. So again, call, text, email. Let me know what I can do to help you. I'm Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast.